everybody. I've made a junk journal. Now, some of you might be wondering, Nicola, what's a junk journal? Let me explain. For some time, I have been making greeting cards using scraps of text, music, wrapping paper, stick-on bits and pieces and such like. And I find it an enjoyable process. I then moved on to making some pictures in a similar vein with some decoupage, handmade paper, wallpaper, buttons, cutouts and other such goodies. Then I discovered on the internet, where else, these junk journals, which by the name are made of junk. Recycled paper, greeting cards, cutouts, old texts, old books, old doilies, anything and everything, wrapping paper, brown paper, old notebooks, all sorts of things. And I found it quite enjoyable. I followed a few processes and then made bits up, as is my wont. I have actually used some, I've done some binding with thread for these sections, which are called signatures, okay? And then I've just added embellishments, some of which I had already, and I've used stamps and tape and made some little like bookmarks or whatever to go in these pockets, sealing wax, bit of ribbon, and so on and so forth, and cut out words and downloaded stuff from the internet as well, which is a great source of supplies. And I have also done some purchasing of a few things that I've used, and also some quotes I've written. Act as if what you do makes a difference, because it does. Nice little dragonfly. This one actually has a sort of a garden theme. This is why I've stuck to these earth tones and these natural colours. This is paper which I've dyed with tea, which is great fun. And another little pocket there. God made rainy days so gardeners could get the housework done. And some sealing wax. And a little pull-out area with other little things stuck in it. And what I've done with the paper, if it didn't fit and I had scraps left over, I've used these decorative tapes to add them on to the pages, so nothing gets wasted, and made little pockets like that. But the tea dye paper is absolutely fabulous. I mean, look at the colours you get. Really interesting. And then I've used some ordinary printed paper, some copy paper. Here's another little tag that I've made. That's brown wrapping paper. This is a rather nice stamp. It takes a while to do, but it's a punch rather. You punch out the edge and you get this lovely decorative edge. And it's just such a lot of fun. So I haven't a clue what I'm going to do with it now. Do tell me. Anybody? See, look, this is tea dyed again, but look at the different effects you get. And there, absolutely fabulous. Well, I think it is. What else we got? There's some more. That was darker. And you can use all sorts of things. I haven't filled all the pages. I've seen lots of junk journals which are incredibly embellished. And I don't know what I'm going to do with this, because I don't want to just scribble in it like random thoughts. For some reason it's too pretty for that, so I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Anyway, I just thought I'd share it because it was rather fun, and I didn't realise I find a lot of French, because I live in France, a lot of French magazines at the various sale places, and I didn't realise I'd actually put this on the front in the middle. La favorite, oh, chef d'oeuvre. And look, it's an original. So I've cut up an original, but never mind, it probably wasn't worth much. So there we go, just apropos of nothing, it's a dreary February Sunday here, so I thought I'd just shoot this little video and I'll let you know what I end up doing with it and if I do any more. Thanks for watching, stay safe.